Hey you guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. We are so excited for you to join us. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So today is an extremely gloomy day. We have a couple of cars that are in here today. I'm going to walk you guys through what we are going to do and what we have done already. So first up, we have this VW Caravelle that was brought in for a matte PPF, and it is all ready, it's all done. We did this sometime last week. We're just waiting for the client to come and pick it up today. Okay, so in this work bay we have this G82 M4 that came in for a gloss PPF. They're just putting in some handles and I'm going to show you guys now, and then we're going to move over to the other side and see what else we have in the shop. Okay, so next up we have this stunning, absolutely stunning blue Porsche 911 Carrera 4 GTS. Well, it's in the workshop for a full car PPF. We're also going to have some tints. We're going to have 5% on the back. We're going to have 20% on the quarters and 30% on the front doors. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like. Absolutely stunning. Let me show you the before, then I'll show you the process, then I'll show you the after. Okay, so next up we have this white VW Amarok. So all these cars that I've shown you guys so far are all a work in progress. And I'm not too sure what's coming in today. I'm about to find out, and as they come I will be updating you guys. Okay guys, so it's about midday now, and this black Defender just came back. We did a glossy PPF on it about a week and a half ago, and the customer just didn't like it, so now we are removing it. And again, that's the beauty of PPF. If you don't like it, you can always remove it and go back to the original color of your car. Okay guys, so here essentially we are just making a template for the badges, so that once the gloss PPF has been removed, we can then put the badges back into their original place. Okay, so on the other side we have this matte wrap BMW G87 that just came in. I just want to show you guys, and we're going to see what we're going to do on the car. We are going to do quite a number of things, so I'm going to walk you guys through it. I have to touch up the front lip around the car. As you can see, it's marked. The client did damage the front lip, had a bit of an accident, so yeah, we're going to touch that up. We also had some issues with the driver door, so we are fixing that too. Sipo, what are you doing to the door?
I'm just tightening it, my sister.
You're tightening it?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, yeah, he's just tightening the door because it did give the client a bit of issues, so we're just making sure that that is aligned. There we go. So the door is fixed and working seamlessly again. And as you can see also on the tapes, we need to touch up the mat wrap in and around the car. And then we have to align the bumper and the headlight here. There is a bit of a problem, so we need to fix it. so that needs to be fixed as well. So next we have to refill the passenger side sill, as you can see. Okay, so now we're just gonna check on the progress of all the vehicles. We do have some new cars that also came in during the day, so I'm gonna show you guys all of that now. Hi Pussy.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
What are you doing?
Doing touch-ups here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I'm doing
Okay.
touch-ups. Putting up weights, lifting.
Hey guys, so that's day one done and dusted. Tomorrow might be a little bit busier, but we'll see. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey you guys, welcome back to another day in the vlog. So today we just received BMW G81 Touring and do a full body kit on it. We're going to do the grille, side skirts and front lip and the diffuser as well. Okay guys, it is about 1:30 right now, and I just want to show you the progress that we have on the Porsche 911 Carrera 4 GTS. We're doing a full PPF on it, like I said before. They have just applied it and So in here we have this grey VW Polo. It came in to get some blackouts on the badges, and then also got its mirror covers. We also did a roof wrap here, blackouts on the rims. Okay, so today is a Saturday and the shop's a little quiet. We just have a couple of cars going out today, and this Porsche will be leaving us, but it looks absolutely stunning. We did a full car PPF on it. We did some roof coating as well as some window tinting, the quarters and the back. Absolutely obsessed. But yeah, the customer will be picking it up today, and I'll show you what we have in the shop. There's not much happening, but yeah, let me show you what else we have. Team is just working on some cars from Jaecoo. They just installed some roof rails. They have also blacked out the badges on this white Jaecoo that I'll be showing you guys shortly. And yeah, so on this white VW Polo we changed the rims. They look so good. And then we also blacked out the badges, both the front and the back. Did a roof wrap. We blacked out the back badge, the boot badge as well, and put some Nightwolf edition decals on it. We have come to the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have reached this far, please do give this video a huge thumbs up, leave a comment, black spades. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.